Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to show you this glowing glam summer look, and I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. So I already did my eyebrows because you guys don't have to sit through all of that, but I just got some concealer and primed my eyelids with that. And then I took a brush and blended it out. And then after the brush, I have this little beauty blender that I used and I blended it out some more. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Kylie palettes, and I took this peachy color and put it all over my lid. And then I took this light brown and I just blended it right in the crease as a transition color. And then next, I took this dark burgundy kind of color, orangey color, and I just put that all over my lid, and then I took that fluffy brush and just blended everything together. Then I went to the Kylie burgundy palette and I took that dark brown and the black and I mixed those together and just put it on the outer side, and then I just blended that some more. Then I decided to do a little cut crease, and so I did that, and the reason why I put that orange down before it was to kind of give it some more depth and keep it nice and golden, you know, instead of just like really white. And then my camera cut off, but I went ahead and did my eyeliner, and I put Becca Opal highlight on the eyelids for a little shimmer. For the face, I'm using e.l.f. moisturizer. It works really good. I use it all the time. Now it is time for foundation, and this is my favorite foundation ever. It's just the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and it's the dewy and smooth because I prefer that more than the matte and poreless, but just up to you. But this is probably a better choice if you're wanting that glowy look because it's dewy and smooth instead of, you know, matte and poreless. And then after that, I took the same concealer I've been using throughout the video. And then onto loose powder to set under there. I'm using the Airspun, and I just blend out to make sure, I blend under my eyes first to make sure there aren't any little like creases, and then I put the powder under there. Then I took this Fit Me like pressed powder, and I just put that all over my face because I do want it to be a little bit set, you know, but not like completely matte. Anyway. Yep, gotta get the chin. And then I went on to my butter bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer of all time. You can get this at Walmart. And what I really do like about this bronzer is it smells so good. And then I just brushed away that loose powder because I don't like to leave it on very long because then it just looks all dry and gross, honestly. And then I put some bronzer on the sides of my nose and then at the bottom, and then right under my lower lip. A little dance party, of course. And then I just have this water in a spray bottle, and I just spray it on my face and then just blend some more to really make sure the makeup is on my skin. And then, of course, I can't open up my highlight, but I am using, yep, there I go. And then I'm using the Opal highlight from Becca and spray my face again. And then I just put it right there, yep. Put it above my cheekbones, my chin, my forehead, and then my nose, and then the bridge of my nose, and then above my lip, and then my brow bone, and then the inner corners of my eyes, and then right above my brow. I just like the way it looks. And then I spray my face again, and then I just blend all that together. I find that spraying your face, it just like really makes everything not look cakey, you know what I mean? For today's look, I'm using eyelashes from Ardell, and then I'm curling my eyelashes first because I'm going to put a little bit of mascara, and this is just some primer from L'Oreal. And then I went on to my Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. That's so hard to say. Lash Sensational. And then I decided to just put my lashes on like off camera because, yeah, that'd be way too long. Anyway, and then I put some more mascara on there, but not too much because I don't want it looking thick and clumpy, but I do want the lashes to stay together. And then we go back to the palette, and I just take that color right there and that color right there, and I just put it on my lower lash line. And then after that, I put some mascara because I think that just really completes the look. And then my camera turned off for some reason, but I used a gloss and liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics for my lips, and I'll put the names right there. So that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a lot of fun making it, and I really do love this look because it's so simple but glowing and glam.